So next comes ad set. So what do we discuss? There are three things in Facebook. One is campaigns, one is ad sets, one is ads. So we have to select all the things one by one. And before campaign, there's something called ad account. So one person needs one ad account. So that's why I'm not discussing on that. Just one ad account is there. Inside that, multiple things are there. Campaign is there. It's level by level. First, you have to select the objective. Then you have to select ad set settings. Then you have to select ad settings. Now coming to ad set settings, ad sets. Okay. See, first you have selected the campaign objective. One second, let me this one. First you have selected the campaign objective. Now you are in this place, ad set, second box. Okay, in ad set you are defining three things. First is audience, second is placement, third is budget and schedule. What is audience? Whom you want to reach? What is their name? Sorry, what is their age, gender criteria, like location, demographics, psychographics? What are they interested in and all? So there you have to define whom do you want to reach? Who is your target audience? Second is placement. What do you mean by placement? Placement means where do you want to show your ads? Do you want to show your ads on Facebook? Do you want to show your ads on Instagram? Do you want to show your ads on Facebook web only? Or do you want to show your ads on Facebook mobile app? Or do you want to show your ads in like video ads? Like which platforms you want to show your ads in? They have 7 8 options there. Like for example, Instagram stories, Facebook side, in Facebook side feeds also you have that option. So lots of options they have, 7 8 options are there, so you can select that where you want to do. But what I suggest, as a beginner, we can select all. Just leave the default settings, select all. Facebook will automatically optimize. It will see that where people are mostly for which platform you are getting most results. Facebook will show your ad mostly to those platforms. Okay, platforms means platforms and placement, two things are there. Platform means Facebook and Instagram. Placements mean in Instagram, whether they're showing in news feed or they're showing in stories or they're showing in side videos. So those things are called placements. But Facebook and Instagram is a platform, not placements. So don't get confused. Okay, now budget and schedule. Like how much do you want to spend per day? You can start with 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. So what is your daily budget? Here you can set daily budget as well. Here you can set lifetime budget as well. Okay, let's see how it looks like. This is the screen. See, something like this. You can select the location and all. You can select the age. You can select the gender. You can select the language. Like, do you want, let's say you are from Telangana and you want to show your ads to people who know Tamil. Just define this, that people who know Tamil, they will see my ad. And here Facebook will show you the estimated reach, that how many people are lying in this age, this criteria. It's saying 290 million people are there in this criteria, and depending upon your budget, how much budget you have spent, they will show that these many people are you will reach daily, that you will reach around 7,000 people to 20,000 people daily. And this is example taken from post engagement ad. So it's saying that you will receive around 501 likes per day on your post, likes, comments, shares, right? And this is just a estimated data. You don't have to rely on it. I don't take this into consideration also. What I suggest is spend some amount, let's say 300 400 rupees per day to start with. Don't try with too low amount also, 100 rupees 200, that's too low. Try with 4 500 minimum, run it for 4 5 days, and then see what is the response you are getting. Depending upon that, make your own estimate. Okay, I'm spending 500 rupees, so I'm getting 10 leads, so this is my cost per lead. Don't just get carried away by this number.